In this video, I'll show you how to remove text from an image on Photoshop, and I'll be showing you two different methods. So make sure it's the full video so you know both, and you can go and decide which one is going to work better for you. Now let's go and get into this. In this guide, I'll show you two different ways you can go and use to go and remove text from an image. So the first thing you need to do is go and add the image with the text in which you want to go and remove to Photoshop, just like so. And then what you need to do is come to the layers on the right hand side and just make sure that your image which you want to go and remove the text from is not a background layer. So you may need to go and create a new layer, just put it at the bottom to make sure it's not a background layer. Then what we need to do is go and use a selection tool. So go over to the left hand side to your toolbar, and you want to go and use the lasso tool. You can also go and use the polygon or lasso tool as well, but I just use the lasso tool. Now what we need to do is go and start somewhere on the image and go and select all of the text which you want to go and remove. So go and hold on your left click like so, and as you can see, we're now starting to go and select it, and just keep it as close as possible and go and select all of the text. And I've just about selected it all, and then all you need to do is let go of your left click like so, and it's now selected. Now what you need to do is go to the top left of Photoshop and go and tap on edit, and what you need to do is go and tap on content aware fill, tap here. Then what's going to happen is you're going to go and get this menu here, and it's going to go and give you a preview, and on the far right we also have some settings. So by default auto is going to be selected, so what's going to happen is it's going to go and automatically go and sort of find things which are maybe behind the image. As you can see, it's sort of using the rest of the sky to go and create this, and that's it. You can also use a rectangular or custom as well, but in this case I'm going to go and use the auto, as Photoshop is pretty good at it. Then if you're happy with it, all you need to do is press OK, just like so, and as you can see, we've now gone and hidden it. And then to go and stop that selection area, all you need to do is press on Control D on your keyboard, or go and press on select and then deselect. And it's actually added a new layer. So if we go to the bottom right, we can also go and unhide it as well. And that's it, guys. And another way you can go and do it is make sure you've gone and select the layer with the text in. Then what you need to do is go over to the left like so, and what you need to do is go and look for the spot healing brush tool. As you can see, here it is. If you're struggling to find it, press J on your keyboard and it should be selected. And if you can hold on it, just make sure that the spot healing brush tool is selected. I'll just make this slightly smaller like so, and then all you need to do is go and brush over what you want to go and remove. So for example, if I wanted to go and remove this bit of text here, then all you need to do is brush over it and make sure it's selected, just like this, and then you can go and let go, and as you can see, it takes a moment, and then it's going to go and remove it. And we can go and repeat this on this text as well, just like so. And as I said before, if you're having any problems, just make sure that your image isn't a background layer and you've got something behind it if that's causing a problem. If you guys found this useful, leave a like. Peace.